Hello everyone, my name is Hassam Ali. A very warm wishes to all. Today I will do the presentation on the topic MedPlus Health IPO, and in this particular presentation we will try to look forwards towards the core aspects of the MedPlus and we'll try to figure out its financials and valuations even as well. So now let's start our presentation without wasting any single moment of time. So at the first slide we have is the introduction. It was introduced in 2006. MedPlus Health Services is India's second largest pharmacy retailer in terms of the number of stores and revenue. The company offers pharmaceutical and wellness products, that is the medicines, vitamins, medical services, test kits and fast moving consumer goods, that is the home and personal care products, baby care products, sanitizers, soaps and detergents even as well. It is also the first pharmacy retailer in India to offer an omni-channel platform wherein the customers can purchase products through stores, place order over telephone and online orders. It also provides. About the company, this company as of June 2021, the company has a strong pharmacy retail network of about 2,165 stores across the Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Odisha and West Bengal. In fiscal 2021, the share of the organized pharmacy retail based on the revenue from operations in Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Kolkata reported at 30%, 29%, 30% for the Hyderabad and 22% for the Calcutta. It follows a cluster based approach for a strong network expansion wherein it first opens high store density in the populated residential area with target market. The company's warehouse are located in the Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Kolkata, Pune, Bhubaneswar, Mumbai and the Nagpur. So in this particular slide we have as the competitive strengths. It's the second largest pharmacy retailer company in India with a strong brand name and the customer value proposition. Pharmacy retail outlet network of over 2,000 plus stores in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Odisha and West Bengal. This was the first pharmacy retailer to provide omni-channel platform to customers. It also highly qualified, experienced and professional team management this company possesses. So in this particular slide we have is the MedPlus Health IPO detail, wherein the health IPO opening date is of 13th of December and it will close on 15th of December. Issue type is of the book built issue type, wherein the several investment banks basically they have been engaged in the setting up of the IPO price range. IPO price will range from rupees 780 to 796. Market lot is of 18 shares. Minimum orders is also of 18 shares. And listing at Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange, that is the BSE and NSE. It is a fresh issue. Offer for sale also been provided and employee discount is of 78. So now we will look forwards towards the company's financial. In the particular side we have the total asset, total revenue, profit after tax, and in the other side we have the 4 years data which is being compared from 2019 to 2021, and in 2021 we have the 2 quarters data. So as we can see, the total assets have gradually increased for the MedPlus IPO from 9,000 to 17,000 approximately, and the total revenue segment it has also increased. But after the 31st of March 2021, this company can see a gradual decline in the total revenue, and the profit after tax was also increased in the was quite good in the 2019, but somehow it fell down to 2020, and after that the company is been performing really good, that is more than 631 and 663 in 30 September 2021. So as we can see, we can derive from this company financials that the company is really performing good, and its total asset, revenue and profit after tax is quite very strong, and its financial position is also very strong. So let's talk about the book runners. So book runners for this company is the Axis Capital, Credit Suisse Securities India, Edelweiss Financial Services, Nomura Financial Advisories and Securities are the book running lead managers to the issue of the IPO of the MedPlus Health. Then now the basic question arises, why to invest in MedPlus Health IPO? Why is it so important? Here are some positive factors in this company. Company is the second largest retailer pharmacy chains in India. It has a strong brand name and over 2,000 stores in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Odisha, West Bengal and Maharashtra. It is a pharmacy retailer to provide an omni-channel platform to customer, and the company has a strong revenue growth in the last 3.5 years despite having all these corona factors, all the demand driven gradual decline in the demand driven factor even as well, but still this company has managed to signify a quite high growth in the revenue segment, that is in the year financial year 2019, 2020 and 2021, with over 2000 crores to 3000 crores. The company's margin have also improved significantly in the last 3.5 years. It was generating profits of about 0.5% in the financial year 2019, which improved to 2.4% in the financial year 2021, even more than 1%. Even for 6 months ending September 21, it generated 3.5% profits on the revenue. Now let's talk about the MedPlus Health Services IPO Limited, and we'll try to do some annual valuation. The MedPlus Health IPO price band is of rupees 780 to 796 per share, as we have already discussed in the previous slide. If we consider the last 3 years weighted average EPS, the EPS TTM, that is the 3.19 rupees and upper price band of rupees 796, and the PE ratio works out to be 250 times, which is quite very high. If we take about the financial year 2021, the EPS of rupees 5.88 and the upper price band of 796, and PE works out to be 135 times. Means the company is asking IPO price of brand 796 and the PE ratio is of 135 times to 250 times. So that's it. It was all about the MedPlus Health IPO. Thank you all for listening to this presentation. Now I would like to sign off. Hi, Hassam Ali, signing off, yourself.com. Thank you very much.